Let me go again.
Oh my god! Lily's funny. Lily's saying, what's going on? Lily.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lamoille County in northwest Vermont, Washington County in central Vermont, east central Chittenden County in northwest Vermont until 7 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near West Bolton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Waterbury Center, Waterbury, Montpelier,
Representation
East Montpelier, Placefield, South Derry, Montfield. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. The weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. This is NOAA.
Yeah, no, shut up.